In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up a Squarespace website the simple way by creating duplicate pages that act like a safe copy of your content and layout. This is a great method if you want a clean fallback, a reference version, or just peace of mind before making major changes to your site. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful website tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your main Squarespace account dashboard. Once you're inside, you'll see the websites connected to your account. Find the website you want to back up and open it. After that, go to Pages. This is where all of your site pages are organized, and it's also where you'll create your backup copies. Now locate the page you want to duplicate. If you want to back up the entire website structure, you'll need to repeat this process for every page you want saved. Look for the card or page item in your Pages panel, and then click the gear icon in the corner of that page. This opens the page settings and gives you access to more options. From the menu, select Duplicate Page. Squarespace will create a full copy of that page, including the layout, text, graphics, CSS, and code injections associated with it. That means your duplicate acts like a snapshot of the original page, which is especially useful if you ever need to restore content or compare versions later. Confirm the duplication when prompted. Once the copy is created, you can rename it if you want to keep your backup organized. A good idea is to add something like backup, archive, or copy to the page title so you can easily identify it later. Then repeat the same process for every other important page on your site. If your website has multiple pages, just go through them one by one and duplicate each page you want included in your backup. Keep in mind that this method creates a cloned version of your pages inside your Squarespace dashboard as a reference or rollback point. It's not the same as exporting your entire site, but it is a very practical way to preserve your work before making edits, redesigning, or testing new ideas. So to recap, go to your Squarespace dashboard, open Pages, find the page you want to save, click the gear icon, choose Duplicate Page, confirm it, and repeat that for every page you need backed up. It's quick, simple, and can save you a lot of stress later. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Squarespace tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.